cold. Like really cold. I'm so glad we made it back here in time for like winter.
Alright, so it's been below freezing the past 2 nights here in Little Rock, and it's supposed to be the next, I think, 4 more nights. So we've been on our freshwater tank. So I have bought a heated hose. So hopefully this will work and allow us to be on city water instead of using our water pump and tank. But it says since it's below 50 degrees, which it's 41 out, that you have to plug it in and let it heat up before you uncoil it. Because if you uncoil it when it's this cold, it could damage it. So now that it's been plugged in for 30 minutes and warmed up, we can uncoil. So before you plug the power in, turn on the water and make sure everything is good with no leaks. You have no leaks. Now we can plug it in. The LED is on, I think.
Yeah.
So it's getting power. And I don't remember what the temperatures are, but the thermometer, so this will control heating the hose. So if the ambient temperature gets above a certain
I think you said 40 something.
Was it 40 degrees?
42, 40 something.
Something like that.
We'll look.
It stops heating it. So it turns it off automatically. But if it drops below that threshold, of course, it kicks in, it heats up the hose, therefore it heats up the water and it won't freeze. So
we hope.
Fingers crossed that we're going to be good tonight.
After 4 months of travel, we have returned to Little Rock, Arkansas. This is where we have both lived for the majority of our lives, so we kind of feel like we're returning home. It's also nice to kind of see the city from the eyes of a tourist. We are doing something we've never done before already this morning. We are walking across Junction Bridge, the pedestrian bridge that leads to the River Market area of Little Rock. So we're going to try to get up to some things that we actually have never done before, and maybe a few things that we have done, but we just really wanted to do because we miss it. How's your pizza?
Very good.
What'd you get?
On the floor.
Clean the floor.
Clear the floor.
Supreme.
With, of course, added ranch and Parmesan cheese and pepper flakes. Kick it up a little.
So we're up to the third thing that we've never done. How many times have we walked by this beautiful gate and never actually just stepped into the garden? So really fun taking some time to do things we've never done. We're gonna keep going.
Know that we love dessert, or at least I do especially. So
I'm a fan.
I'm stuffed because of the pizza, but there's a Hertz Donuts right next door basically, so I had to come in here. I got the salted caramel with chocolate drizzle. Jessica got the peanut butter cup, is that right?
Yes. So we have had Hertz Donuts before, but we've only been to the one in Branson. We haven't been to this one in Little Rock, so technically it is something we've never done. And this one's not that old. I think it just opened toward the beginning of this year. So this counts. This totally counts.
Oh wow.
That was delayed. Oh, you just lost some.
No. But you taste the caramel, and then right after you get the salt. I didn't think the salt was going to come through, but it actually does.
Cool. We're wrapping up our day because we have some dinner plans tonight, but we were going to take a ride on the streetcars, but we had just missed one and it was going to take a little bit longer. We thought we might as well just walk. So we are walking down on the Little Rock side to the Clinton Presidential Library, and we'll cross the pedestrian bridge down there that will take us just right by the RV park. So in the process, we're getting to watch some very brave kids ride down the hill on their little cardboard pieces. So first time we've ever done that, so it all counts today. Are you wanting to get a piece of cardboard now? I mean, you did have a lot of fun at White Sands, so.
Yeah, I think so. I had my fill of sledding at White Sands.
Okay. I'm sure we can find some cardboard.
I'll pass.
We have been to the library. It has been a long time. Would like to go again sometime. Just don't think it's going to work out on this trip. in Little Rock this week, and I'm so happy that I was able to come to Cotillas, which was our favorite workplace, and I get to have lunch with my friends.
Hi.
Hi. I have talented friends, what can I say? You like that truck, Baron? You need to say you didn't.
If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.